Hey YouTube, how's it going? Today we are going to learn how to take a screenshot on a MacBook Pro, a Windows PC, and a Chromebook. Let's get started. Here I have a blank Google Doc where my image will go, but first let me tell you the keyboard shortcuts that you need to press to take that screenshot. If you're in a Windows, you press the Windows key, Shift, and the letter S. If you're in a MacBook, you need to press the Command, Shift, 4. On a Chromebook, you will press the Control, Shift, and the Show Windows key, which is circled above. When you press these keys, your mouse will change. It will look differently on each device, but it will change. And then you drag across the area that you want to take a screenshot of, and you let go of your mouse. On the bottom right, your computer will tell you that your screenshot has been taken. From here, we go back to our blank Google Doc. Since my screenshot was on the desktop, I'm able to drag it and drop it. Another way you can find the screenshot is by clicking on Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and find where your screenshot was saved. Usually it's in the Downloads folder or the desktop. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and as always, keep it true.